Hey there, everyone, everyone. Thank you for eating with Jill and Micah. Hey, we are at Guacaholic in Spring Lake, North Carolina. We are having some Mexican good food. That good. Say hey to the people, Micah. I'm gonna show y'all our food. Let me let y'all see our food. Look at there. Let me turn to the food. Look at our food. I have shrimp, steak, and chicken fajita. That's Malaya. That's Desiree. Micah's mom. My grandson's mom. This is our feast, y'all. Look at my food. Look. Don't that look good?
The Crab Legs place was better than this place.
It does? Yeah, we get ready to feast, y'all.
Yes, Lord.
We getting ready to feast, y'all. Today, I'm hanging with my grandson, Micah. He's trying to hide his face. He's spoiled rotten.
I'm ugly.
No, you're not ugly. No, she don't. Okay, we're gonna eat our food. I'm gonna eat my food, you guys. And I'll see you next time. Next time, you guys. This is a quick video. Love you. Toodles.